Okay, moving right along. Case 2 now. Counting down. Tier 1 baseball. There's your teams. You know, you bought them. You struggled through the website madness. Ryan Kolesko. Cameron Maben. He's still kicking around. Andy Bennis, that's a good one. Seems like every... Hold on, I got 2 boxes stuck in here. Seems like every new... Or every 90s card I got was Andy Bennis when I was collecting back in the day. He's like big, giant pitcher. Oh yeah, those Bruce Bochy days, huh? All right. Oh, that's nice. Aaron Judge, silver ink auto, tier 1. Look at that. Oh, Art Vandelay. This is the first time I looked up and the lucky one didn't have the Yankees. I mean, he did get a cut auto, I don't know, Clemente or something earlier, so can't feel too bad for him. That thing's sweet. Adam Duvall to 285. Odie. We've got Mr. Happy Picture Day Kluber. Hey, Corey, it's Picture Day. Can you do Happy to Be Here? Give me, I'm happy to be a baseball player taking pictures. Oh, no, you can't. All right, never mind. We'll just use this one. Kyle Seager to 25, a patch in a jersey. It's probably, it turns out that Kluber had like some horrible thing happen to his great aunt. Got real sick or something. He's having a horrible day. Making fun of him. We don't know the story. We don't know the story behind the story. Or maybe McDonald's frost or soft serve machine was out or something. That's, I get like that. That happens. Trey Mancini silver ink. That's nice, Tim. Starling Marte, 275. And Carlos Correa to 335. Sorry, Jones. Some random result. That was after this 5th 504 error on my website when he was trying to buy his Indians. It's like, cool, I guess I just won't have the Indians in Tier 1 this year. It's fine. No big deal. I don't care. I don't even really want them. Paul DeJong to 295. Is this a Jules kit? Oh, Jules. Cardinals, Paul DeJong. C. Buddha. Wait, who the heck is C. Buddha? I can't remember. I remember H. Buddha. Tim Wakefield. On the Pirate. What? Pirates great Tim Wakefield. Weird. Heaters. C. Buddha. Who the heck is C. Buddha? Racking my brain. Can't place C. Buddha. Ozuna to 335. Started now, apparently. Edgar Martinez to 130. Oh, we got another nice one here. Well, it's Josh Harrison. It is a bronze ink to 25. Broke the Jules breaks with 4 Judge autos, then got married and couldn't afford anymore. Wow. Oh, that's why. Because that was probably only in Jules breaks. I don't remember you. Quesley, your Dodgers, Justin Turner jersey. That's okay. No one's required to be here. I don't know if you know that. You can leave any time. Miguel Andujar. You don't. No excuses needed. Doc. All right, Doc wins joke of it. Andujar. Art Vanderland. That's a nice one. Oh my god. Just keep digging. What? Sue Lin. I've never seen his autograph. It's cool for the Red Sox. And under that, gold Paul Schmidt. You never have to apologize to me for quitting or leaving for months at a time. It's okay. It's okay. Way better things to do out there. I understand. Way more important. Rhys Hoskins. 225. T-Dog. And Derek Fisher. Lakers great. Where's all the Nationals, Jones? The heck? Mookie Betts to 400. Where's the knobs at, too? Oh, wow. What are the odds of 2 Rockies 1-of-1s tonight? 0. We got both of them that exist in the whole run. Thomas Stopa. A Charlie Blackmon prodigious patches 1-of-1. Friggin' Rockies going off. What if I told you one of two things is, what was more likely, that we would hit the Clemente 1-of-1 cut auto, or we'd have 2 Rockies 1-of-1 patches? I would have put my money on Clemente. I wonder what the real odds of both of those are. One, there's only one of them. The other one, there's 2. At least 2. Luke Weaver to 25. Jules! Bronze ink. Chuck Blackmon. Jules is getting some Cardinals. Max Fried for the Braves to 275. Altuve to 400. Pirates great Tim Wakefield. Oh, this is not going to open. Not going to open that way. Can I get it over here? So you got to be careful you pull it away from the cards. You never pull on the corner. You know that, right? Jake Lamb to 245. Man, Jules is missing everything. Poor Bandies. The Heaters. I bet they just went out to dinner, Jones. I bet they're like, oh god, we have no excuse. Drew Pomeranz, just 275. Winner. And Syndergaard, we're guards to 335. Oops. Probably a Chili's. Knocking the boots. Listening to that 90s song, Knocking the Boots, by whatever that group was. You know we will be knocking the boots. That weird cat noise in the background. You know what I'm talking about. Jacoby Jones to 100. Jersey auto. Mike B. We have Ronald Torreyes to 275. Under that, there's Trout. First Trout of the night to 400. Young Trout picture. What happened? Art Vandelay. Schwab's gun somebody? Don't you want somebody to gun? Wow. Hey, Art Vandelay, would you be interested in a Derek Jeter, Mariano Rivera, and Andy Pettitte triple? If it were live, people's brains would be exploding. What did they say about, what's his name, Cortex? Jeter, Rivera, and Pettitte. Jeter's Marlins, Rivera's Yankees, and Andy Pettitte's Astros, I'm pretty sure. Sorry, Jubes. I don't know. It doesn't say the numbering. That's awesome. Andrew Stevenson. There you go, Jones. Mission accomplished. Yeah, probably not a 1 of 1. Maybe to 5 or something. Jake Lamb to 335. The checklist probably says there's 5 of them or 10 of them or something. Or something. Yeah, so it goes to Oakland. Max Kepler. We've hit about 10 of these Max Kepler jersey autos to 100. H-Dog. And Jacoby Jones. About 15 Jacoby Joneses. Clint Frazier, rookie relic. I don't think we've hit any of those. 10 to less on the triple auto. Okay. One more box. Where's Jonesy's Harper? Kind of a fat pack. We could have a knob. Oh, gosh. Failure. We start with an Ian Happ to 270. For the Cups. Fantasy only. Under that, Giolito. Haven't had him tonight, I don't think. It's 245 for the White Sox. Lucky one. And Osuna to 335. Last hit is Robbie Alomar, Legends jersey to 175 for the Indians. Buckeyes. Yeah, that's some good stuff in that one. Jeter, Rivera, Pettitte, triple auto. Charlie Blackmon, 1 of 1. Mancini silver ink to 10 was nice. And let's not forget about the first card, Aaron Judge. Silver ink. Jeez. That was a solid case. And other good stuff, too.